and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you're in my hangout. And today we are in one of my modular, well, I guess it's a living room. And we're going to make some boxes out of the Miniverse boxes, because I don't know about you, but I've had a bunch laying around. And so I made these earlier, and I did not show how I did them, but I did. But we will be making this one, this, this, and this. So we'll make a fair few of them in this video. And I'm trying to show a few different techniques so you can go ahead and choose whichever would be easiest and most fun for you. So go ahead and follow along, and I hope you have fun. See you in the next part. Let's start with the easiest one. So I have one of these boxes, and I'm going to cut off the flaps. I'll actually be cutting off the flaps on all the boxes, I think. I might change my mind. Okay, and I'm going to take some of my nail polish. I'm going with purple because, I don't know, I feel like purple. And we're just going to apply a coat. And of course, I realize this will take a couple coats, but we have other boxes to make while this is drying. I'm just going to keep painting this, and I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. Now we're going to do another easy one. This time I'm going to use some washi tape. This is a little wider, but obviously it can be cut down. And again, I'm going to cut off the flaps. Let's cover one in some fabric. So I have a bunch of these squares, but you can also just use any, extra piece of fabric, because it wouldn't take much. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure and then cut. So I can kind of wrap it around. I'm going to do that for 2 of them. Here. we're going to put some nail art on this. So I got out this one here. Okay, and I'm going to put it, I think, I'm going to put it there. And I'm going to take one of these trim things. I'm going to put that along the top. Alright, now we have some kind of other little box or shelf. And of course, I just won't show that side. And I think at some point I'm going to paint the inside of this as well. Now we're going to do a box that we're going to G up. But before I do that, I want to cover this box. I'm not over fussed on what kind of a pattern. I just don't want it to be brown. And so I have this one, and I think this will work for what I need. right, I figure we'll do one in something kind of like this. You can find these, you know, sets of these pretty easily. Okay, last box. So then I'm going to use some of this. And I'm just going to find a starting point. All right, well, this is the end of the video. I hope you had fun making some of these different boxes. I just wanted to have a whole bunch of different boxes for different rooms that I could use for different purposes. So I feel like I've achieved that. So some of these are better for like the nursery, like this. And others are probably better for like a, you know, like a kitchen. This I could see on a vanity. This I would see like in the living room. This probably more like in the bathroom for laundry. And then this maybe in the bathroom. I'm not sure, but I like it. So anyway, but we do have a variety. So, okay. Now, if you like this video, please hit like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, well, what are you waiting for? I have a subscriber button. It's red. It says subscribe. I mean, it's awesome. It is. And it's usually located on this side, and you just have to boop, and then you're a subscriber. And my subscribers are the best people in the whole wide world. I'm not biased. They just happen to be that way. Please take the time to comment. If you take the time to comment, I will take the time to answer, because I appreciate that you giving me some of your time. Sharing is caring, and there's probably other people out there with extra Miniverse boxes as well. They've been holding on, just in case, which is why I was holding on to mine. So maybe give them some ideas to do with them. You just never know. And I think that's about it. Now, I'm going to let you guys go, and no matter what time it is, whether it's morning, noon, or night, I do hope it's fantastic, because you deserve fantastic things. And I'm out of here, so goodbye.